My video will help you to remove pop-up windows by the site Kindaper.xyz. Kindaper.xyz is a dangerous site that targets Google Chrome and other browsers. Kindaper.xyz tries to make you basically download and install some potentially unwanted applications. If you see these pop-ups by Kindaper.xyz, be extremely careful and don't tolerate these pop-ups. They are fully deceptive. So I recommend you to leave this deceptive page. Also, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com and download the application, install it, and start researching the system. Combo Cleaner antivirus will definitely help you to detect and eliminate other threats which still could possibly stealthily remain on your computer. So use Combo Cleaner to get your computer fixed. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.